To Yard Style Live.
Okay. This week's guest on Yard Style Live is Digital Sham.
David.
Yeah, man, I'm there again, you know. This hour, 1, 2, 3, yeah, yeah, man.
They update, man.
Yeah, man, they update this. Digital Sham, you don't know them there, my Yard Style Live brand ambassador, them there from the start. And today is all about Digital Sham, the update.
Yeah, man, right.
On Yard Style Live. See it?
Go on.
Yeah, man, Sham, I'm there again.
Yeah, man.
What you mean?
Anything, man.
I wish that growth is the only evidence of existence. I mean, I tell you, so we check what Yard Style Live there to know.
Yeah.
A greatness.
Yeah, man.
You see me?
Greatness only, man, and the growth.
Yeah, man, because you're there from the start, and so we're for there and get the update from Digital Sham, because from the first, the second, this and the third, you know, and it's going to be a thing where continually you go forward and give away the updates from the career-wise, you see me? So, yeah, so what are going for them time there with Digital Sham now?
Yeah, man, you know, so all heap of greatness, all heap of work I put in. We've been in a couple other countries in the world, you don't know. We go Costa Rica for the first time this year. I don't know, Panama, Colombia. So it does put in a bag of work.
But you know, so all of them places what you call is like them Digital Sham friendly.
Yeah.
Because I see you sang a picture of some place, I say, what?
Yeah,
work
man.
I put in?
Yeah, man, because basically, you know, so, South America, them market, they like, them really show me love and appreciation, and I appreciate them to the fullest. I have a fan base and a following that side there, you know.
Wagwan, you're tuned to Yard Style Live.